Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Base with your Coinbase wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So to be able to receive Ethereum, swap or withdraw, all you have to do is open your Base app, as you can see right here on the home page, and then from here you're going to go to the bottom right where you can see your wallet section. Now from here, as you can see, we have some Ethereum, and to receive any Ethereum from Coinbase, all you have to do is click on buy. And then from here you can select to pay with whatever method you would like to use. So you're going to click on it and it's going to give you two options. Either you can use your debit card, which contains any balance you would like, or you can transfer directly from Coinbase, which is the one that we would like to choose. Once you do so, you're going to choose whatever you would like to buy. So from here, Ethereum, and then you would like to choose however much amount you would like to transfer. And then from here, click on continue to payment. Once you do so, it's going to transfer you to a second page, which is going to be connected to your Coinbase account. And as you can see, it is said in the bottom that is secured by Coinbase. And then from here, you can select however much amount you would like to transfer from your Coinbase to here. And then you're going to click on preview send, and it's going to send it directly. Same goes for cashing out. If you click on cash out, then from here it's going to show you where you can cash it out to. And once you click on the deposit destination, then it's going to deposit to your euro balance on your Coinbase account. And so from here, if you select for however much account you would like to transfer from your Ethereum, then all you have to do is click on however much, click on continue, and then it's going to transfer. And from here, it's going to show you the page and all the details around it. And once you click on confirm, then it's going to slowly download it. And as you can see, it's going to confirm it in only seconds. And there you go, cash out is in progress and it's done. So now if we open our Coinbase account and then wait for it to load, then it's going to show us right into the balance where you can see on our assets. And then from here, if we go to the cash section, then it's going to show us that the euro has been submitted. And so it will take a few seconds. And as you can see, the withdrawal is taking place. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.